Welcome. This is Waec year 2020 English past question number 57. The instruction here says that we should look out for the word that contains the given phonetic symbol, and the given phonetic symbol is consonant sound. This means that it's a consonant sound, and option A is pronounced as nash. So by this transcription, it means that this letter G that is given to us is silent in this word. Then option B is pronounced as target. The option C is pronounced as no. So you also find out by this transcription the letter G here is silent. Option D is pronounced as sing, just as in the word king. So the G here takes this pronunciation, sing. So by this transcription, we find out that this letter G is not silent in this word, which is option B. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.